I'm going to show you a silly mistake that I see fourth graders make all the time. So, you watch and catch if you can see what my silly mistake is. We have 15 divided by 4. So I'll list out my 4 times tables and see what's the closest I can get to 15. 4, 8. I think that's the closest I can get to 15 without going over with my 4 times tables. So that means that I skip counted 1, 2 times. Then I'm going to count up from 8 to see how many I have left over. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That means that I would have a remainder of 7 because I have 7 numbers left over. Did you see what my silly mistake was? Yeah, I could have gotten closer to 15. Your remainder should never be bigger or larger than your dividend, or your divisor, your divisor. Because that means that you could have made another group of 4. Meaning that I could have gone even closer. I could have gone up to 12 to see if I could get even closer to 15. So remember, your remainder should never ever be larger than your divisor. So let me show you the correct way to solve that. So if we had 15 divided by 4, I'd skip count by 4s. 4, 8, 12. That's the closest I can get. Because if I went one more, that would be 16. And that's more than 15. So that means I skip counted 3 times. Then I see how many I have left over. 12, 13, 14, 15. How many numbers did I have left over? Yeah, I had 3 numbers left over. So the correct answer was 3 with a remainder of 3.